Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about how to hide rows and columns in Excel, including unused rows and columns. So let's we start the work. Before starting the work, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Hide and unhide rows and columns in MS Excel with shortcuts. You can hide and rows in Excel using the context menu, using a keyboard shortcut, or by using the format command on the home tab in the ribbon. If you have hidden rows or columns, you can unhide them as well. Some user may some user may want to hide all of the unused columns to the right and unused rows below the data to clean up the workspace and display only relevant information to team members or clients. You will not be able to hide or unhide rows and columns if the worksheet has been protected with a password and you don't have the password to unprotect. If content has been disabled or if the file is read only. Selecting rows or columns in Excel. It's important to know how to select rows or columns in Excel if you want to hide them. To select one or more rows in Excel. To select one row, click its heading or select a cell in the row and press Shift plus space bar. To select multiple contiguous row, drag across the row headings using a mouse or select the first row and then Shift click the last row. To select non-contiguous rows, the click heading of the first row and click and then Control click the headings of the other rows you want to select. To select one or more columns in Excel. To select one column, click its heading or select a cell in the column and press Ctrl plus spacebar. To select multiple contiguous columns, drag across the column headings using a mouse or select the first column and then click the last column. To select non-contiguous columns, click the heading of the first column and then control click the first heading or other columns you want to select. To select all rows and columns in Excel, press Ctrl plus A. Press R twice if necessary. Click the interaction box to the left of A and above one or the worksheet. Heading rows. To hide a row or rows by right-clicking, select the rows you want to hide. Option 2. Right-click and select Hide from the drop-down menu. To hide a row or rows using a keyboard shortcut, select the row or rows you want to hide. Option 2. Press Ctrl plus 9. To hide a row or rows using the ribbon. Option 1. Select the row or rows you want to hide. Point 2. Click the Home tab in the ribbon. In the cells groups, click Format. A drop-down menu appears. Click Visibility, select Hide and Unhide, then Hide Rows. To hide rows, to hide all rows below the last line of the data, select the row below the last line of data. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. Press Ctrl plus 9. You can also use the ribbon method or the right-click method to hide the rows. Unhiding rows. To unhide a row or rows by right-clicking, select the row headings above and below the hidden row. To unhide all rows, click the box to the left of the A and above one or worksheet. Right click and select Unhide from the drop down menu. To unhide rows using a keyboard shortcut, select the row headings above and below the hidden row. To unhide all rows, click the box to the left of the A and above the A on the worksheet. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 9. To unhide row or rows using the ribbon, select the row headings above and below the hidden row. To select all row, click the box to the left of the A and above the one of the worksheet. Click the Home tab in the ribbon. In the cells group, click Format. A drop-down menu appears. Click Visibility, select Hide and Unhide, then Unhide rows. To unhide a row or rows by double-clicking, select the row headings above and below the hidden row. To unhide all rows, click the box to the left of the A and above the one of worksheet. However the mouse over the hidden row headings. When the mouse pointer turns into a split two-headed arrow, double-click. Hidden columns. To unhide a column or columns by right-clicking, select the column or columns you want to hide. Right-click and select Hide from the drop-down menu. To unhide a column or columns using keyboard shortcut, select the column or columns you want to hide. Ctrl plus 0. To hide a column or columns using the ribbon, select the column or columns you want to hide. Click the Home tab in the ribbon. In the cells group, click Format. A drop-down menu appears. Click Visibility, select Hide and Hide, then Hide columns. To hide all columns or to the right of the last line data, select the column to the right of the last column of data. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow. Press Ctrl plus 0. You can also use the ribbon method or the right click method to the columns. Unhiding columns. To unhide a column or columns by right clicking, select the column headings to the left and right of the hidden column. To unhide all columns, click the box to the left of A and above the one on the worksheet. Right click and select Unhide from the drop down menu. To unhide column or columns using a keyboard shortcut, select the column headings to the left and right of the hidden columns by dragging. To unhide all columns, click the box to the left of A and above the one of worksheet. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 0. If this does not work, use one of the other method. To unhide a column or column using the ribbon, select the column headings to the left and right of the hidden columns. To select all columns, click the box to the left of A and above the one on the worksheet. Click the Home tab in the ribbon. In the cells group, click Format. A drop-down menu appears. Click Visibility, select Hide and Unhide, then Unhide columns. To unhide column or columns by double-clicking, select the column headings to the left and right of the hidden columns. However, the mouse over the hidden column headings. When the mouse pointer turns into a split two-headed arrow, double-click. The method you can use to hide or unhide column it is based on personal preferences. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.